எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். I am Dr. Omnath, Associate Professor of Cardiology, Karpagam Medical College, and Consultant Interventional Cardiologist, Sangeeta Super Specialty Hospital, Coimbatore. On this occasion of World Heart Day celebrations, I would like to discuss with you regarding the practical approaches to manage hypertension and its related cardiovascular complication. As we all know, hypertension is the leading risk factor for major cardiovascular complications like heart attack, stroke, peripheral vascular disease, and heart failure. Therefore, it is very essential to detect hypertension at an early stage and manage it properly in order to avoid all these complications. Therefore, I recommend to you the ABCDE of hypertension management. This is an acronym for practical approaches for the management of blood pressure control. So let us see one by one. The A stands for physical activity. So many studies have shown that 150 minutes of a moderate physical activity or 75 minutes of rigorous physical activity per week can significantly reduce blood pressure and offer cardiovascular protection. So it is important to have a good amount of physical activity in your daily routine. The B stands for maintaining an ideal body weight. So obese people are more prone for hypertension. It is essential to maintain our body weight below the recommended BMI of 25 kg per meter square. What is C? The C stands for controlling your mind. So you have to avoid unnecessary stress. You have to get adequate sleep, minimum 6 to 8 hours of sleep per day. And you have to get rid of all your bad habits. If you are a smoker, you have to compulsorily stop smoking. And if you are an alcoholic, you have to preferably stop taking alcohol or at least try to take it in a moderate quantity. And if you have significant amount of stress and all, you can try to practice meditation techniques like yoga, which can considerably reduce your level of stress and helps in improving blood pressure. The D's of management of hypertension are your diet, drugs, and your doctor. So diet is a very important risk factor in hypertension. So ideal diet is which is low in sodium. The daily recommendation of sodium is less than 3 grams per day. So you have to reduce the salt intake in your diet. How can we do that? You can reduce the salt intake in your diet by avoiding the use of excess salt like table salt and use of salt rich foods like pickles, appalam, or other junk food items, etc. All these are rich in sodium and can raise your blood pressure. Second thing is, your diet should be rich in fruits and vegetables. The fiber content of the diet should be high, and similarly fruits and vegetables are rich in potassium also. So both these can reduce the blood pressure. Also, you have to reduce your calorie intake because weight increase again can contribute to uncontrolled hypertension. So diet is very essential. Second D is the drugs. So if you are a hypertensive and if somebody has diagnosed to be having hypertension, then it is very essential to take your medications compliantly. Non-compliance or irregular medication can always lead on to complication. So avoid self-treatment and be compliant with your medications. Third thing, your doctor. So avoid self-treatment. Okay, be it your family physician or be it a specialist, you consult a doctor and have a periodic checkup and titrate the medications and lifestyle modifications as per his or her advice. And the fifth point is the E. E stands for early detection and evaluation. Because most of us will be thinking that hypertension is a disease of a late later age. But actually, the onset of hypertension can be as early as adolescence. So, it is essential to have a periodic checkup. Even if you are very young also, if you are less than 30 also, get your blood pressure checked once in a while, so that you can detect it at very early stages, and if not getting control with lifestyle modification, you can start drug therapy and thereby avoid the future complications. So these are my ABCDE of hypertension control and management. Thank you all.